If you want to quickly check how much RAM Krita is using, there's a super simple built-in trick that only takes a second. This is useful if your file is getting large, your brushes are slowing down, or you just want to keep an eye on performance while working. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to view the current RAM usage inside Krita. If you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Krita workspace and look down to the bottom right border of the screen. On that corner of the interface, you'll notice a small text string that usually shows your current canvas information, such as the document size and color mode. For example, it may display something like 3000 by 2000 pixels, RGB alpha. This little status text is what we need. Now simply click directly on that text string. You don't need to open any menus, settings, or panels. Just click the canvas information at the bottom right. The moment you click it, Krita will instantly switch what it displays. Instead of showing the canvas size, it will now show your live resource usage. In other words, you'll see the image size and the amount of RAM memory currently being used. This is a very handy way to monitor how heavy your file is while you work, especially if you're painting with lots of layers, large brushes, or high-resolution documents. If you click it again, you can usually toggle back to the original canvas information display. So if you ever want to quickly check performance, remember this small but powerful feature built right into Krita. It's one of those details that many users overlook, but once you know it's there, it becomes a really useful part of your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to view current RAM usage inside Krita in just one click. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.